Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Quaker cookies. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 1 3/4 cups of packed brown sugar, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2½ cups of all-purpose flour ready. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. You can also add 1 cup of chocolate chips, or nuts if you like. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter, brown sugar, and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, adding them one at a time and mixing well after each addition. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until it's fully combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 2½ cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt, preparing your dry ingredients. It's time to bring it all together. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Then, stir in the 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. If you're using them, fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips or chopped nuts. Finally, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie for proper spreading. Bake your delicious cookies at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until their edges are golden brown. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set properly. Remember to check the description for a link to * the simple path to wealth * and other great deals. Once fully cooled, store your Quaker cookies in an airtight container at room temperature, where they'll stay fresh for 3 to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.